You may be hurting your channel more than helping it. Your YouTube channel is your little business, if you will, if you want to treat it like one. But if you're telling everybody about your business, there's a pretty good chance that, number one, everyone has an opinion, and number two, this could directly affect the algorithm of your channel. So whether you realize it or not, when you're telling friends and family, and because you're probably excited about starting your channel, basically what you're doing is you're saying to YouTube's algorithm, for those who are not interested in watching your whole video, YouTube will go ahead and then not show that video to other people, knowing that people aren't really watching it. So let's break it down. You've got a YouTube channel, you're telling your friends and family, and what ends up happening is everyone gives you their opinion about something, whether they like something or don't like something. And worse yet, what if somebody gives you their opinion about your channel, you do what they told you should do, and the next thing you know it, they want part of your channel. Maybe they want in with it. You know, they're giving you the insight, what they think is going to be right for your channel. Nobody knows what's right for your channel but you. You need to take control of it. Do not tell your friends. Do not tell your family. This journey is going to be of you. Now, when your channel starts to become successful, you know, you could tell people about it, but I would not encourage people to just come to your channel and just subscribe as friends or family. Because again, what will happen is this. If they're not that interested in the content, then why would you share that with them? If they're not that interested in the content, they're not going to stay on the video. And if they're not going to stay on the video, this gets into the second part, which I mentioned about the algorithm. You do not want to directly affect the algorithm based on your videos that people are watching that you have control over. So let's say you've got a few people, a few friends, a few family members, they watch your videos and they're like, not that interested. 30 seconds in, they're out. You got a 6-minute video. What's going to happen is YouTube's going to turn around and tell the algorithm, tell the audiences out there, people aren't really watching this video. We're not really going to show it as much. You don't want that, because you want as much reach as possible. You want as much average view duration, because when it comes to metrics on the back end, YouTube pretty much follows suit with a lot of metrics that are going to help out your video. When you make your videos, just put them out there and let YouTube do all the heavy lifting. Now, I've got a lot of videos that involve this, and you should be able to check them either in the corner here or the corner over there, and maybe that's going to help you out. But I will tell you this, do not tell your friends or family about what you're doing. Keep it private as a business. And what I would say is make sure that you hone in on the niche that you're interested in, because once you do that, then you can flourish. If you've got a channel, it's got 6-7 different things going on, you're going to have 6-7 different audiences. You want to try to hone in on one audience if you can. All right, hopefully that was helpful, guys. I'll see you in the next video.